Basic computer hardware. Welcome to the realm of computer hardware, the sturdy backbone upon which the digital world rests. In this chapter, we embark on an illuminating journey through the fundamental components that constitute a computer system. From the powerhouse processor to the humble input-output devices, we'll explore the roles and interactions of these essential elements, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the inner workings of computing. Core components, a closer look at hardware. Let's begin our exploration by dissecting the core components that form the heart and soul of a computer system. 1. Processor. CPU, the brain of the machine. At the center of every computer lies the processor, also known as the Central Processing Unit, CPU. This silicon marvel serves as the brain of the machine, executing instructions, performing calculations, and coordinating the flow of data. Like a conductor leading an orchestra, the CPU orchestrates the myriad operations that drive the computer's functionality. 2. Memory, RAM, the workspace of the system. Random access memory, RAM, acts as the system's short-term memory, providing a high-speed workspace for active programs and data. When you open a document, launch a program, or browse the web, the relevant information is temporarily stored in RAM for quick access by the CPU. Think of RAM as the desk space where you work on tasks, with larger amounts of RAM allowing for smoother multitasking and faster performance. 3. Storage devices, the archives of data. While RAM provides temporary storage, storage devices serve as the long-term archives of data and programs. Hard disk drives, HDDs, solid-state drives, SSDs, and other storage mediums store files, applications, and operating systems even when the computer is powered off. These devices offer varying capacities and speeds, allowing users to store and access vast amounts of data with ease. 4. Input-output, I/O, devices, bridging the gap. Input and output devices facilitate communication between the user and the computer, enabling interaction with the digital realm. Keyboards, mice, touchscreens, and other input devices allow users to input commands and data, while displays, printers, speakers, and other output devices present information in a human-readable format. Input-output devices bridge the gap between humans and machines, enabling seamless interaction and feedback. 5. Motherboard, the backbone of connectivity. The motherboard serves as the central hub that connects and interconnects all the hardware components of the computer. It provides the physical framework for mounting the CPU, memory modules, storage devices, and expansion cards, as well as the pathways for data transfer and power distribution. The motherboard is the architectural foundation upon which the entire system is built. 6. Power Supply Unit, PSU, energizing the system. Last but not least, the Power Supply Unit, PSU, converts electrical power from an outlet into the various voltages required by the computer's internal components. It provides a steady and reliable source of power to ensure the stable operation of the CPU, motherboard, storage devices, and other hardware components. The PSU is the unsung hero that keeps the system powered and running smoothly. Understanding the interplay of hardware components. Now that we've acquainted ourselves with the individual hardware components, let's explore how they work together in harmony to execute tasks and processes. 1. Processing data. The CPU fetches instructions from memory, executes them, and stores the results back in memory. This cycle repeats continuously, with the CPU performing calculations, logic operations, and other tasks as directed by software programs. 2. Storing and retrieving data. Storage devices store data persistently, allowing it to be accessed and retrieved when needed. The CPU interacts with storage devices to read and write data, enabling users to store files, install programs, and access multimedia content. 3. Input and output operations. Input devices capture user input, such as keystrokes or mouse movements, and transmit it to the CPU for processing. Output devices receive data from the CPU and present it to the user in a human-readable format, such as text on a screen or sound through speakers. 4. Coordination and control. The motherboard acts as a central nervous system, providing pathways for communication and coordination between hardware components. It facilitates data transfer, power distribution, and control signals, ensuring that the system operates smoothly and efficiently. Conclusion. Navigating the complex terrain of computer hardware. As we conclude our exploration of basic computer hardware, we've peeled back the layers of complexity to reveal the inner workings of these essential components. From the computational prowess of the CPU to the archival capabilities of storage devices, each element plays a crucial role in shaping the digital landscape. By gaining a solid understanding of computer hardware, you've taken the first step towards becoming a proficient navigator of the digital realm. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to troubleshoot issues, upgrade components, and harness the full potential of your computer system. In the chapters that follow, we'll delve deeper into advanced concepts, emerging technologies, and practical applications of computer hardware. So, stay tuned as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of computing. Until then, happy exploring!